What if the biggest barrier between you and your dream venture is simply a lack of inspiration? Think about it. Entrepreneurship isn't just about investment or business acumen. It's also about spotting opportunities where others see none. So, to stir your entrepreneurial spirit, here are some unique business ideas that could be the spark you're looking for. First up, consider a boutique consultancy. As the world becomes more specialized, the need for detailed, expert advice grows. Boutique consultancies focus on a particular field, offering deep insights and personalized solutions. Whether it's in sustainable agriculture, corporate wellness, or blockchain technology, there's potential for a boutique consultancy in almost every niche. Next, take a look at the food industry, but not just any food industry. Think about a food truck for pets. Yes, you heard it right. As pet owners increasingly view their furry friends as family, the demand for high-quality, nutritious pet food is on the rise. A food truck for pets could serve up gourmet, healthy pet meals and treats, capitalizing on this growing market. How about a virtual reality arcade? As technology advances, so does entertainment. Virtual reality, or VR, provides immersive experiences that traditional arcades simply can't match. Offering a range of VR games and experiences could attract a tech-savvy crowd looking for some cutting-edge fun. Ever thought about a subscription box service? This business model is booming. From beauty products to books, from gourmet treats to gardening supplies, there's a subscription box for almost everything. Creating a unique, carefully curated subscription box could tap into this thriving market. Lastly, consider a drone photography business. Drones are no longer just gadgets for tech enthusiasts. They're valuable tools used in a variety of industries. A drone photography business could provide stunning aerial shots for real estate, weddings, events, and more, offering a fresh perspective in photography services. To recap, this video presented 5 unique business ideas that could spark your entrepreneurial journey. We delved into the opportunity of starting a boutique consultancy, providing specialized advice in a niche field. We explored the burgeoning pet industry with a food truck for pets, serving up gourmet meals for our furry friends. We looked at the fascinating world of technology and entertainment through a virtual reality arcade. We discussed the potential of a subscription box service, a booming business model that provides a range of products to customers' doorsteps. And finally, we soared into the sky with the idea of a drone photography business, offering a fresh perspective in photography services. Remember, the world of entrepreneurship is vast and varied. The key is to spot the opportunities, seize them, and transform them into a successful venture. Who knows, your unique business idea could be the next big thing. So keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep innovating. The world is waiting for your next big idea.